Kasi ba yung kabalayan niya, Kuya Alvin Bautista ng Exploring Pampanga. For today's vlog guys, muli tayo na imbitahan ng Unli Seafood Buffet dito sa Tabon, Pandan Road guys, no? Sa may City Center, Angeles City, Pampanga. So nasa tapat siya ng Power Fill Gasoline Station. Kung alam nyo yung Jollibee Pandan guys, papasukin nyo yung kanto doon. So from there, nasa 1 to 2 minutes away lang naman tong Unli Seafood Buffet. Meron silang Samgyeopsal, chicken wings, Pinoy dishes, and of course guys, yung pinagmamalaki nilang seafood. Kung gusto yung pumunta dito, open naman sila Monday to Sunday. Every Monday to Friday guys, open sila ng 12 noon until 11 p.m. Every Saturday and Sunday naman guys, open sila ng 11 a.m. until 11 p.m.
Welcome to Hungry Seafoods Buffet. This is Fred Tini, the Operations Manager. This place is so recommendable because meron kaming malaking space, parking space for your vehicles, and of course, relaxing place for your family, friends, and loved ones. Meron tayong iba't ibang sets for our food. Set A, Set B, Set C, and of course, merong all-in set. Set A includes buffet plus Unli Samgyupsal. Set B, Unli Pork Samgyupsal. Set C, Unli Pork and Beef Samgyupsal. And of course, yung ating all-in, which is Unli Buffet, Unli Samgyupsal, and Unli Wings. Sa ating buffet package, at 70 pesos lang para sa unlimited seafoods. Fresh shrimp, fresh pusit, fresh oysters, and of course, yung ating fresh scallops. We also accept special events like wedding, birthday, debut, baptism, corporate functions, and other parties. We have two types of events which is yung HSB, alfresco, and meron na rin po kaming function hall. Sa function hall po, we can accommodate 30 to 50 packs. And sa amin namang alfresco, we can accommodate of minimum 50 packs and maximum of 400 packs. For bookings and reservations, you may contact us on our Facebook page, Hungry Seafoods Buffet. I'm inviting everyone to try our menu, especially the all-in set dahil sulit na sulit mga kabalen. See you!
Nagkakatapos na natin niluto yung mga grilled seafoods natin. So una natin titikman itong grilled oyster natin. Grilled scallops. Siyempre kabalan, naitip natin yung kanilang grilled squid dito sa kanilang special na suka. Actually, ito tinatry ko. I think mga hindi natin na-try yung unang vlog natin dito. Siyempre, meron tayong scrim dito. Mas masarap guys kung kinakamay itong mga seafood nila. Try natin yung kanilang oyster na fresh. So ako, mas prepared ko pa rin talaga mga kinakain na fresh yung oyster. Imagine guys, no, dun sa buffet nila na 399 pesos or yung 429 pesos na all-in, mag-additional 70 pesos ka lang, mag-limited seafood grill ka na. Kung ngayon nyo mo mag-buffet and then yung kanilang mga seafood, so meron din naman kayong pagpipilian yung kanilang unlimited Samgyeopsal for only 199 pesos. Dahil syempre, kahit dun pa lang dun sa side dishes malang is sulit na. And then guys, yung kanilang mga unlimited chicken is available lang naman siya doon sa kanilang all-in na 429 pesos. So meron silang 14 flavors dito. mabubusog na naman tayo ni Unli Seafoods Buffet. Kung nagka-crave kayo guys ng mga Unli Seafoods and Unli Buffet tapos ang GULAMAN and syempre yung chicken wings, punta na kayo guys dito sa Unli Seafoods Buffet. For sure, solid na solid yung pagpunta nyo dito and mabubusog kayo. Lalo na dun sa mga bago nilang products, yung Unli Grill Seafoods na Scallops, Oyster, Shrimp, and then yung squid nila. Additional 70 pesos lang guys. Lahat may enjoy mo na. Yun guys, kung meron kayong mga special events, pwede nyo rin gawin dito. Hanggang dito na lang. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click the notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos ko. And of course, huwag nyo kalimutang i-share ang video to para malaman din ng mga ibang kabalen natin dyan itong Unli Seafoods Buffet dito sa Angeles City, Pampanga. So until our next vlog, peace out!